Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis where on a chart of Nifty we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is the second time I'm recording this. The first time I was on mute, so the lines are already here. I've just marked them invisible. So this is the Nifty on a monthly time frame. The bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? We have been creating higher lows consistently. So that means buyers are buying at higher levels with confidence. So what are the important levels? The important levels are previous ATH, previous swing high is the immediate support where buyers are, previous swing low, and the order block. These two red candles is hypothesized by none other than myself to be an order block, and this is where they gather our orders, hit our stop losses, and Nifty flies to next levels. Again, it's a wild guess. On a weekly time frame, Nifty has broken the bullish bias. This was bullish yesterday because this particular candle had created a low. I'll just zoom in, better visibility. This particular candle had created a low here. What is a low? The lowest point of the candles on either side is higher than the lowest point of the candle in the middle. So that is a low. So by definition, this was a low and that low was taken. So in a bullish market, no low should be taken. Every low should be protected. So that's why the weekly bias is not sure. There's something we can mark up on a weekly candle, that is this flat top. Flat tops are important. The tops of flat tops are where big orders of big sellers are. Now going over to the daily time frame. The daily time frame has turned bearish because this high is higher and this high is lower. Lower high has been created and this low has been taken, but it looks like, oh, I forgot to mark this line. This was from the weekly level. I'll just show it here. Weekly level, this was the swing high that I marked up. In case Nifty decides to come down, it could find some buyers in this level. This is a swing high in a fair value gap, and this is a fair value gap that we are talking about. Going back to the daily time frame, this flat bottom, in yesterday's pre-market we had discussed this flat top and this bottom, and that Nifty could trade between these two levels. And interestingly, Nifty took support almost exactly at that bottom level. So the bottom has been tested. Will the high be tested? Let's see. Going on to the 4-hour time frame. Here it is, 4-hour time frame. It is not, I have marked not sure. Why? Because this is a high and this is a higher high that is being created. I mean, this high has been taken off. If it's bearish, the high should have been protected, and this was a low. The low was also not protected. So let's see what happens. So I have no buyers in the 4-hour time frame. And next is the hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame, Nifty has become bullish. Why is it bullish? Because this low and this low, so we have created higher lows. But you see this high and this high, it is lower highs also. So don't be confused between bullish and bearish. Just in these scenarios, think in the perspective of buyers and sellers. Forget bullish and bearish. Here there were sellers. They bought Nifty all the way down. And here there were buyers. They bought Nifty up. And the buyers from here were confident to bring their orders down and then sell Nifty all the way from here. But this time they were not able to take Nifty all the way down. The buyers from here confidently bought here. And then Nifty has taken support there. So that's where it stands, and that's, as of now, it's bullish. And the level to watch out for is this flat top. That's it from my side. And once again, all this is only for educational purpose. I'm not a certified analyst. Thank you.